I think today most definitely is a fishing day. Got my stuff in here. I'm gonna go ahead and load it up in the backpack. Got the dog loaded up. We got our fishing tackle, a couple extra sweaters because I think the weather says it's gonna rain. But all right, we're gonna go pick up my buddy Mike, and then we're gonna go do a short hike. And there should be a lake at the bottom. I think we're gonna try to fish it. Hopefully we catch something. I've never fished it before, so I don't know if there's gonna be any fish in there or not. Rumor has it there is, but we'll see. Nothing fancy. The hike's short. It's like 2 miles. The dogs will like it. I'm fat. I'll have to like it. And, well, hopefully we get some fish at the bottom. So let's roll. I'm recording you, recording me. Yeah. Caution, please close gates. Cattle on site. Let's go, sir. Go. All right. I'm already tired, man. We just started. You like rocks? It's a pretty big rock. It is. All right, guys. So we just started on our little journey. Hiking, man. I gotta get used to this hiking. It makes me tired. But we're gonna get to a pond where we can fish. But check this out. See the cow over there? Look at my dog going crazy. Leave it. Leave it. River, come. He's crazy. Look how close these guys are. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. He loves it out here. Those are zigzags and the cows down there. Just gotta keep going up. I chose this trail because it's pretty easy. Oh, wow. Good thing you got hops. He almost ate it down there. Ooh, it's muddy. Yeah. Anyways, this trail's pretty easy. It's short. I think it's like 1.5 miles or 2 miles. I don't know. I've never fished this lake, but hopefully there's fish in it. We'll see what happens. Once we get to the top, I'll show you guys the view of the whole lake from the top. It's pretty nice. See, everyone was scared of the rain. It's a beautiful day. Little overcast. Sprinkle here and there, but no crazy rain. Not overlanding this time, but we're walk landing. And hopefully to a pond where hopefully we catch some fish. And if not, we got out and did our activity for the day. I think we're coming up to the edge over here. And that's where you get to see the lake from the top all the way over. Probably try to keep the dogs away from that though. The trail gets a little bit flat up here. Oh, we're starting to see the lake down there. That island in the middle. Gotta bring a inflatable kayak and go camping up there. See what's in this birdhouse. I can't see. Can you guys see in there? I don't see nothing. These trees are in the way. I think there's a better, if down the trail that way, there's a better view, but let me see what this looks like. Oh man, this drops. Hey, get over here. Holy moly. Oh yeah, there we go. I don't think I can go up that one though. Oh yeah, right here, dude, look. Oh, wow, that is freaking scary. Dude, that is a straight drop off. But look at that. River, come. Here. Come here. Yes, I'm far away because I'm a chicken shit. But that's the lake we're gonna fish, guys. Hang on, let me do a montage real quick. All right. Don't get too close, man. I wish you guys, dude, that is straight drop off, if not an undercut. Yeah. And that is huge. River. So look at, there's a trail, wrap around this whole lake. All right, we're gonna go fish and see what we catch. Let's roll. All right, let's go back up there.
You wanna get a selfie right here?
Oh, hell yeah. Hold on, guys, we're gonna do a selfie.
You got on those electrician boots.
Huh?
You got on those electrician boots.
I know, I need to buy actual hiking boots.
Caught up.
Go, come on. You can see it from down there. It looks like a huge wall. It's crazy. We don't cheat. We don't go cross trails. We stay on the trail. Look at that. Oh, barking spiders out here. Hey, if this was a survival situation, as long as we catch one, we'd be all right. All right. Coming down to the bottom of the backside of the lake. Yeah, man, you guys, there's no way this phone is doing this justice. Nice little meadow. Look at it. I'd set up my camp right here, my fire pit, and then go fishing right around the corner right here. Got the turkey vulture. Something's probably dead back there. They've been circling for a while. Look, we were way up there where my finger is. Won't focus. We were up at the top of that ridge. I got that. There's a cove across right over there.
I feel like we're gonna catch some fish today.
I hope so. This looks delicious. If I was a fish, I'd be hungry. Oh yeah, let's try this out. Okay, well, we're gonna set up and see what happens. This wind is gonna be hard, but it's my secret. Don't tell nobody. A brush hog. Let's go. Oh, I missed that, but he just ate it. Oh, I missed it. River, be hyper. Yes, good boy. It's a good listener. Oh, there's catfish. There's bullhead. Sunfish. There's brown trout in here. Carp and then black bass. We're trying to hit the black bass, but I'll take anything right now. Oh yeah, let's go see.
It's good to know.
I missed it, but I just got a bite. But I was in the bushes and I can't really cast, so I couldn't get into a good spot again. So this is what happened to us last time. It was all flooded and we had to walk all the way back and hike backwards, but I think this is the only deep part and it's really shallow again.
Alright.
It's gonna do it. It don't matter, it's going.
Yeah. Like a slice of life, huh?
Slice of life! Oh look, I found the salmon right here. With the rocks. I saw that, but I missed it.
I do this stuff for real.
I ain't playing around. Try to find an open spot over here because I want to be professional too. Oh, here's a spot right here. You got... Oh, got him! Oh, he came off right there. I don't know. Did you guys see that? I hope I caught that. He came off right as I pulled him up. I scared him. Oh my God, again, he came off. That's it. I'm doing it for you guys. I gotta catch this guy.
I'm gonna get him first.
That was 2 misses, which means he's probably smart enough to not come back now. I don't know, but I hope I caught that. Alright, our cameras died, the batteries died, but you didn't miss much. We caught a bunch of fish and we couldn't get it on camera. Huge monsters, you know, but I don't know, rookie mistake. I guess we gotta check our stuff, make sure they're charged up before we head out. But we're on our way home. We did have a couple of bites, we missed them obviously, but I don't know, guess we're gonna have to do a better packing and preparing for next time. But it was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you. Stick around for the next adventure. We'll see you. Deuces.